Good morning, afternoon, evening, everybody. I don't know. I'm filming this part now, but I don't know when I'm actually going to be inserting this into the vlog because I got something in that's super exciting today that I really want to share with you guys. This is basically what the entire vlog is going to be about. Today, I found this website called Desert Drinks and Exotics, and they sell snacks, candy, drinks, stuff like that, but from all over the world. And I placed an order and I want to try these snacks and candy and stuff from all over the world because it seems like so much fun, and I want to try as many things from different places that I can because I love trying new things and, you know, seeing new places. But you know, with everything that's going on right now, we can't really go anywhere. So I can try to bring the places to me. So I have got this right here. This is a Hershey's pink lemonade from Brazil. I have never seen this before, obviously, because it's from Brazil and we don't have it here. So, but this looks so nice. And then I have this Hershey's, and this one is from Thailand. And these are called Hershey's Nuggets. I don't really know what that means, but I guess we'll find out. Also from Thailand, I have these. These are potato chips, like the Lay's potato chips, but these are from Thailand, and I have no idea what this flavor is. It looks really good. I mean, it looks like an actual food dish that this is like modeled off of. So very excited about that. And then I got these Doritos STAX from the UK, Mexican chili salsa. That sounds really good. And these kind of remind me of like Pringles. I will say one thing, the pricing on these are kind of inflated because they do have to come from all over the world. This thing of Doritos was $10 from the UK. I'm just like, that's a bit insane, but you know, we'll try it. Also, they do sell things that have been like discontinued from places. So I was able to find cotton candy Faygo. I haven't had this since I was a kid, and I'm so excited to try it again and kind of see what I think about it now compared to then. And then I found this Fanta from Bosnia. I have never seen anything, eaten anything, heard anything from Bosnia before, so this is very new to me. But let's just go ahead and try all this stuff. Okay, first thing I want to probably try is the cotton candy Faygo. Ooh, I was worried that it had gotten like really shooken up on the right here, but it's not that bad. That is cotton candy Faygo, alright. My god, I haven't had that since I was a kid, and I can't believe my mom used to let me drink this. This literally tastes like cotton candy, and it's kind of blowing my mind. It is so extremely sweet, and I don't like it now. I probably wouldn't drink this. It would be way too sweet for me, but I remember having this as a kid, and I really liked it. But oh my god, it's literal cotton candy. That's what it tastes like. It's nuts. Let's try one of these chips next. This is the Doritos STAX. It says open. Oh look, it's a little pull tab. That's nice. Oh no. Well, some of them got crushed, which is okay. And Mexican chili salsa. Let me see if I can find. Honestly, I think they're all crushed. You know what? They're definitely not as flavorful as I thought they would be. You know, when you eat a Dorito here in the States, it's like packed with flavor, you know? These ones, I feel like they're lightly flavored or lightly seasoned. They're good. Maybe it's because people like the UK, maybe it's because they care about their citizens and don't put a bunch of like random shit in the food. I like it. And to be honest, there is like, you know, when you go to a Mexican restaurant and you have like the chips and salsa in the beginning, it kind of gives you like the salsa taste. I can taste it. It's so weird. It's good. I like it. Let's try one of these next. This is the Hershey Nuggets, creamy strawberry, and this one is from Thailand. Oh, they're like individually wrapped. They're just like little wrapped ones. Oh, shit. I did not realize that. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect, but these are just like the little individually wrapped Hershey's. And it's white chocolate, it looks like. If you can see that right there. Mmm. Wow. That is really good. Holy crap. That is incredible. I've heard that like the Hershey's in America is like really bad. It's like bad chocolate compared to like other places like the UK and stuff, which I would probably agree with. But I don't know if Hershey's in Thailand is any different. Like I don't know if it's made differently. But this is delicious. This is probably the best Hershey's I've ever had, even from America. Like, mmm. Oh, they're so good. And I forgot to show you because I was so excited. But inside, the little cross section, there is like a strawberry filling. It's really good. I love these. Let's try this next. I want to try this other drink. Here is this Fanta. It is again from Bosnia, and I don't know what flavor it is because again, I cannot read it. Shukata? I don't know. Hopefully this one hasn't gotten too shaken up either. No, not at all. Oh my god. I can't tell if it's flat or if it's not good. I have no idea what that is. It's not my favorite thing. I am not the biggest fan of this. Let me see if I can Google what a shokata is. It's elderberry and lemon. That's what it says here. And I know I'm not saying it right. How do I say it? Shokata. I don't know if that's right. That sounds very American. I wanted to hear it like the way that it's like properly pronounced. But it's apparently elderflower and lemon. It's not my favorite thing. It's I was actually thinking that it kind of tasted fragrant, but like not in like a perfumey, like it doesn't have like an acidic. Have you ever like accidentally sprayed like perfume and it's got in your mouth? It's kind of like that acidic, kind of like harsh, like reaction that you have. It's not like that. It's just like, I don't know. I don't like that one very much, but that's probably just me. But I love the idea and I'm glad that I've tried it because obviously I want to try all of these because the more I can try things, the better. Next, let's try these. These are again from Thailand, the Lays, and again, I have no idea what kind of dish this is, but this looks delicious. Whatever kind of dish this is right here. I think that's what it's. The packaging, I've noticed, is much thicker than American packaging. Oh, they're ruffles. I didn't realize that. I thought they were gonna be like the, what are they called? Smooth ones? All right, here is what it looks like. All right. Whoa, these are delicious. Ooh, they're spicy as well. Oh my god, these are incredible. I'm saving these for my snack tonight. These are so good. Hands down, my favorite thing we've had so far. Besides, I feel like there's a difference. Savory right here and sweet right here. These two are my favorites so far. These are unbelievable. These are spicy. They are so packed with flavor. So nice. I love them. If I order from this website again, I'm 100% getting like 10 bags of these because they are so good. Okay, last but certainly not least, we have got Hershey's Pink Lemonade. I have never seen anything like this before, obviously. Let's see, and it's a full-size bar as well. I feel like this is gonna be super good. It says Abra Aqui. I'm going to assume that means open here. Oh yeah, I think that's what it meant. Look at that. It's like speckled in there. That's nice. And it looks like, again, it kind of like a white chocolate. Wow. This is so cool. So it's like, oh, it's awesome. So it's white chocolate or something like that. But then these little pink pieces inside are not just like food coloring. It's actually stuff in there. And it could be like a strawberry lemon kind of situation because you have the chocolate, right? And then you get a strawberry piece or like a, not strawberry, but then you get like a pink piece, like you bite into it. And it is just like, it's sour. It is so interesting. I love the combination of like the whole sweet and sour thing without it being like a gummy candy, because I feel like most of the time when we see sweet and sour, it's like a gummy candy. But this is so nice. It's really sour, but it's not like citric acid sour. It's more like fruit sour, like natural sourness. And it is just delicious. And those little pink pieces are the tiniest bit crunchy. I'm thoroughly impressed. My favorites are 100% this, because these are incredible. And probably, I mean, I really like these two. They're really good. I think this is still my favorite out of the two Hershey's ones. I just love them both. My least favorite is probably the Fanta. It really wasn't my cup of tea. It wasn't for me, but I'm sure it's very popular all in other places. Freaking cotton candy Faygo. I bought 2 of them. I don't know why the hell I bought 2. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. And I would definitely be doing more of these, and I want to try more things. So yeah, there's that. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything else in this vlog or if this is gonna be the whole video. If I do, then we'll cut to it now. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a couple days later and I wanna show you something. Bam! Oh my god. It is finally mounted. Actually, the Geek Squad guys at Best Buy just finished maybe like 45 minutes ago. And it just looks incredible. I am so in love with it, and I'm happy that I'm able to like put stuff back here to where everything kind of like blends in a bit better. I'm so glad I decided to continue to get it mounted, because part of me was like, well, maybe I can just have it sitting on a stand. I don't have to spend the extra and get it mounted. But no, this looks so much better mounted. So much better mounted, and I'm so in love with it. If you can see this tiny little cord right here, I genuinely wish that I could do something about it. I don't know what to do about it. It is very unnoticeable. You know, you're not really gonna notice it, but oh my god. Right now I just have this picture of Venice up, but look at that. Just like, I'm so obsessed with this TV. I don't have anything else really to say. That's all I wanted to come on here for. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Oh my goodness. You're being such a good little poser. Oh, wow, you're doing so good, honey. Like, you're staying still. Holy shit. Thank you. You're such a good girl. You. Okay, bye.